Poor Dr. Oz. At his swearing-in ceremony, his granddaughter, Philomena, fainted. Here's what happened.
Who is leading
Your
those
life
trade
will be in
talks?
great danger.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
Mr. President.
Yeah.
Everybody else.
You want to know?
Yeah, we're gonna. You guys will leave tables. Everybody else. We'll drop it. Yeah, drop the cameras, please. We'll leave.
That transmission was cut extremely fast. Many of you guys probably recognize Dr. Oz from the Dr. Oz show back in the 2000s. Now, you guys know he rose to fame through actually Oprah Winfrey. She introduced him back in 2004 on her show. He's a cardiothoracic surgeon. Sometimes he'd have a slew of medical topics that he would cover on his show. Now being sworn in as the Medicaid Medicare administrator. Dr. Oz, as I looked up, is the first Muslim to serve as the administrator of the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS. He was officially sworn in on April 18th, 2025, after being confirmed by the U.S. Senate earlier this month. Born in Cleveland, Ohio, to Turkish immigrant parents, Dr. Oz was raised in the Islamic faith and holds dual U.S. Turkish citizenship. His appointment marks a significant milestone as he is the first Muslim to lead the federal agency. I never thought we'd see the day of a lot of reality TV type stars make it this far, but this is a new dawn, a new age, and it made me think, where's Dr. Phil? And will he be jockeying to get a position in politics? Proves that, you can go into a field thinking you're going to do things one way, but you never know where your career is going to take you. Trump has allowed for many different people with different backgrounds and walks of life into his administration. And that's one good thing I could say, is that he has a lot of different people. And I think really he's just looking for loyalists. He's looking for people that are very conservative, very religious. The Islamic faith is one of a lot of very strict religious standards and codes. They're not like Americans. And I'd love to see how he's going to handle Medicaid and Medicare. These are two separate programs, and Medicaid is the insurance program that handles free healthcare for people who are lower income, right? Let's say you fall on hard time, free healthcare. So when they say Americans don't have free healthcare, I always claim bullshit. They do. You just have to meet the guidelines in order to get it. Now, Medicare is for your older folks, senior citizens, even people who are not from this country can apply for Medicaid, and most of them get it. So I'm curious to know if he's going to cut those type of programs, because Medicaid costs money. It costs money to run these programs. This is a $1.7 trillion cost to operate, and this is what he's going to be responsible for. Anyways, you guys chime in and tell me what you think of Dr. Oz getting sworn in today.